Hey you guys. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Welcome back to my channel. I just want to say thank you guys for rocking with me. I know I missed a week, but I am back. I'm full still. I know you guys are full still. My hair is looking a little different. I did cut it because, you know, I get a little bored being a hairstylist. We get bored, so it is what it is. Also, you guys haven't seen me since like the other video when I colored my hair. Guys, look at this. That's 2 weeks of new growth. 2 weeks of new growth. I'm taking them down though today. I'm gonna get my roots done and I'm taking them down today. I got some amazing things coming up for you guys. And before I take these braids out, I just wanted to show you guys how to refresh your braids. And I actually found a really cool product that works really well. It is by Aveda. Now, I know a lot of you guys are probably saying, oh, she's biased because she works with Aveda and she's always using Aveda products. No, that's not why. It's 96% natural. They are super sourceful. They give back. They do so much. And also, it smells good. It does what it has to do. And I'm finding out what works for the natural community in the Aveda line. So you guys rock with me. You guys will be able to work with a brand that is resourceful and gives back to community. It gives jobs. It uses wind power. It uses it uses environmentally friendly packaging, and I don't know, I just love Aveda. Also, yes, I did graduate from the Aveda Institute, so I'm always gonna rock for my school. Today, we are going to be playing around with some new products. The Aveda Foam Reset Rinseless Hydrating Hair Cleanser. Gently cleanses and hydrates hair in one step. No rinse required. And it purifies the scalp. When you got braids, you know, be itchy. This right here is gonna purify that scalp. And this is the Rinseless Refresh Micellar Hair and Scalp Refresher. Let me let you guys see that. This is powered with micellar water. Now, everybody knows what micellar water is and they know how great it is. Imagine it for that scalp. Boom, bop, bam. This line is a part of their rinseless reset kind of thing. So it's kind of like dry shampoo, but it's a little foamy and a little wet. It's a rinseless shampoo. I'm figuring it out too. So I'm actually really excited to show you guys these results. Now my hair is nice and frizzy. I did not go to sleep last night with a scarf on. I know I probably should have, but I did not. So don't come for me. But it's perfect for you guys to be able to see the before and the after. I wanna go up closer so you guys can see the frizz. Y'all, these braids are coming out today. I'm gonna start off with the foam reset. I just want you guys to see. Look at it. Foaming. All right, so what I'm gonna do is just take some sections. I'm just gonna lift my braids, you know, and put the foam reset all throughout like so. I like to get it completely on top because, homegirl, that's where all the frizz is at. Okay, let's see that. And you just rub it in there. Now I know you guys are probably like, what? It's making it more frizzy. So you want to just run it through the hair as if you're cleansing your hair. Run it through. Smells really nice. Y'all, already, look at that. Look at that. It's a little less frizzy. We're gonna put some in the back. Y'all, already the frizz is gone. And that's not the last step, but already the frizz is gone. Like I said, it smells heavenly, like flowers and essential oils. Flowers and essential oils. That's what it smells like to me. Look at that, y'all. I'm impressed. Doing stuff like this will make you keep your braids in for like 1 to 2 more days, okay? The other thing is I love that it's a foam. It stays in place where you put it. It's not a super wet foam. Yeah, look at this though. Come on, you can see my roots a little bit more because it's a little less frizzy. All right, so I'm gonna finish it off with the Rinseless Refresh Micellar Hair and Scalp Refresher. Now the nice thing about this stuff right here, it has cornstarch in it. Now you're probably thinking, oh my gosh, why does my product have cornstarch? It's a natural fucking thing, so get over it. Sometimes your product is gonna have some kind of something, okay? What the cornstarch does is it adds a little bit of hold. So all those frizzies stay down, baby. They stay down. Just look at this cute little top. This little thing. And what you do is you just spritz all over the hair. And what I like to do is work it on through. Do it once a week. It's gonna keep your scalp clean. My scalp tends to get itchy. I tend to wanna take them out within the first week. I don't like frizz at all, so do it every single week, once a week, and it's gonna keep that frizz down, and it's also gonna make you look nice and laid. Like, I know, honey, you wanna go to wherever you go into looking nice, not frizzy. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. No frizz, honey, no frizz. What I'm trying to get you guys to understand is that all those little flyaways that was once upon a time sticking up are not sticking up anymore. That cornstarch in the micellar, in the Rinseless Refresh Micellar Hair and Scalp Refresher, that cornstarch is really gonna help hold it in place. So you're not just spraying wet stuff on your braids, if you know what I'm saying. Let it dry and you're all set. Homegirl ready to go. Homegirl is ready to go. Y'all don't understand. Like, I want to keep my braids in one more day, but I got a haircut going on today, so I can't. I just wanted to show you guys real quick how I refresh my hair with Aveda's Rinseless Refresh line. It is amazing. It smells really, really bomb. As y'all can see, it got rid of all of that frizz. Like, I don't have like that surfacing layer of frizz right here anymore, or anywhere up in here. Like, my hair is real curly, so it tends to frizz up real bad. Also, it added some shine. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I feel like you can see my color and my roots and everything a little bit more. So I love that it adds shine, because my hair once upon a time was super dull, and that's not cute. Thank you, Aveda. I am gonna keep going on the lookout for stuff that you guys can use every single day or every single week when you have protective styles, natural hair, whatever. We'll tell you the truth. Honest, honest, honest. Ooh, what is all this? When you got cats, you just got hair flying around. Honest opinions, honest reviews. If I don't like it, you guys will know. But if I do like it, it's something that you really want to look into, because it just works. It's great. Works for me. These two work for me. Frizzy braids wear. Frizzy braids wear. Thank you guys so much for coming to my channel. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me throughout this week that I was gone. Happy belated Thanksgiving. I hope you guys had a wonderful, wonderful time. I hope you guys were also staying safe, wearing a mask, keeping that social distancing, doing what you gotta do just to keep everybody healthy. I will see you guys in the next video. It will be fun. It will be a good one, so stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys from my heart to yours.